The air fryer, a must-have for cooking oil-free fries and indulging in many other dishes. You're thinking of buying one but don't know which one to choose. Don't move because I'm going to introduce you to the top 5 air fryers, starting with the least expensive. You can find the product links in the description below. In 5th place, we have the Tower T17021, a revolutionary hot air fryer known for its vortex technology that circulates hot air quickly and evenly around the food. With a generous capacity of 4.3 liters, this removable bowl electric fryer is family-sized, allowing you to prepare ample portions for the whole family. It features an impressive 1,500 watt power, providing versatility to cook a diverse range of ingredients. The Tower T17021 offers a comprehensive range of functions, including frying, roasting, grilling, and baking, providing an endless variety of dishes, from pork chops to muffins, all with little or no oil needed. With its intuitive display, you can easily set the timer up to 60 minutes and adjust the temperature between 80 and 200 degrees Celsius, ensuring perfect cooking every time. The 3.2-liter basket and 4.3-liter bowl provide great flexibility to meet your culinary needs. In addition to its impressive performance, the Tower T17021 also ensures safety with a manual 60-minute timer and an auto shut-off function. Its sleek black design makes it the ideal kitchen companion for those looking for a quick and convenient alternative to traditional family cooking. With advanced vortex technology, this fryer guarantees crispy results with 99% less fat, preserving the authentic flavor of your dishes. In summary, the Tower T17021 combines efficiency, convenience, and health to meet all your culinary needs. Despite its impressive performance, some users have noted that the relatively large size of the fryer could pose storage space issues in a smaller kitchen. Additionally, its design may not match the aesthetic preferences of some consumers. In 4th place, we have the Ninja Air Fryer Max, a revolutionary air fryer offering an exceptional culinary experience. This fryer stands out for its ability to fry with very little or no oil while preserving the authentic taste of the food. With the air fry mode, it promises up to 75% less oil compared to traditional frying methods. The Ninja Air Fryer Max is not limited to frying, offering outstanding versatility with its 6 cooking modes, including Max Crisp, Fry, Roast, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate. This electric fryer features a spacious 5.2-liter family-sized basket with a non-stick coating, dishwasher safe, making the cleaning process easy after each use. For faster cooking than traditional convection ovens, the Ninja Air Fryer Max ensures tasty and crispy results. Thanks to the Max Crisp technology, it can perfectly cook frozen foods like breaded fish or fries in just a few minutes. With a temperature of up to 240 degrees Celsius, the ultra-fast air circulation ensures even and crispy cooking. The 6 customizable cooking modes, such as Air Fry, Roast, Bake, Reheat, Dehydrate, and Max Crisp, offer unmatched flexibility to create a variety of dishes for the whole family. Whether you want seared steaks, grilled vegetables, perfectly cooked salmon fillets, or even a whole chicken, the Ninja Air Fryer Max meets all your culinary expectations. The advanced dehydration technology also allows for the preparation of healthy snacks, such as dried fruits, vegetable chips, or beef jerky. Furthermore, with cooking up to 50% faster than convection ovens, this fryer saves time without compromising the quality of the dishes. Its elegant white design and outstanding performance make the Ninja Air Fryer Max a must-have for those looking to cook healthy, fast, and delicious meals. Some users have reported that the noise level of the fryer during operation is slightly higher than expected. Additionally, while the Max Crisp technology is effective, it requires careful monitoring to avoid overcooking in some cases. In 3rd place, we have the Philips Essential Air Fryer, a high-capacity oil-free fryer known for its outstanding performance. With a spacious 4.1-liter bowl and a 0.8 kilogram basket, this electric fryer allows you to prepare a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to moist cakes, with remarkable ease. This large oil-free fryer offers a healthier solution for cooking, reducing up to 90% of fats in meals while preserving the authentic flavor of the food. Equipped with 7 preset programs accessible via its intuitive touchscreen, the Philips Essential Air Fryer simplifies the cooking process, offering options from frying to baking, roasting, grilling, and reheating. For optimal customization, this fryer offers downloadable personalized recipes via the Nutri-U app. Thus, you can explore a multitude of healthy and delicious dishes step by step. Thanks to the rapid air technology, hot air circulates evenly, ensuring crispy exterior and tender interior cooking. Moreover, the fat removal function captures excess fat for even healthier results. Cleaning the fryer is simplified with its dishwasher-safe removable parts, providing additional convenience. Moreover, using the Philips air fryer allows cooking up to 50% faster and saving up to 70% of energy compared to a traditional oven. Therefore, this oil-free fryer is not only a wise culinary choice but also an environmentally friendly option. If you are looking for a versatile and practical solution for healthier cooking, the Philips Essential Air Fryer is an excellent choice. Some users have noted that the fryer's basket can be a bit challenging to clean due to its design, requiring some extra effort at times. Additionally, the initial cost of the fryer may be higher compared to other options on the market. In second place, we present the Russell Hobbs Air Fryer XXL, an XXL air fryer that embodies excellence in healthy and crispy cooking. This revolutionary fryer uses air fry technology to generate a whirlwind of superheated air reaching up to 220 degrees Celsius, ensuring quick and uniform food cooking. With 7 inches 1 features, the Russell Hobbs Air Fryer XXL offers much more than simple frying. With modes like air fry, grill, roast, bake like an oven, dehydrate, reheat, and defrost, this electric fryer becomes a true culinary Swiss Army knife to meet all your gastronomic desires. This fryer offers 10 preset programs, covering a wide range of dishes, from crispy fries to perfectly cooked fish. Its intuitive touchscreen and digital display provide precise temperature control, allowing customized cooking according to your preferences. With an impressive 8-liter XL capacity, it meets the needs of large families, offering a practical solution for delicious meals. Its adjustable thermostat allows precise temperature control, ensuring optimal cooking results. The intuitive touchscreen makes it easy to navigate between the 10 preset programs for an effortless user experience. This electric fryer ensures healthy cooking with little or no oil, providing an enticing alternative to traditional cooking methods. Easy to clean, the parts of the Russell Hobbs Air Fryer XXL are dishwasher safe, simplifying the maintenance process after each use. Whether you are an experienced cook or a beginner, this fryer offers a versatile and hassle-free cooking experience, allowing you to prepare delicious dishes with unparalleled ease. In summary, the Russell Hobbs Air Fryer XXL is an essential tool for those looking for healthy, fast, and flavorful cooking. Some users have mentioned that the touchscreen, although intuitive, can be sensitive and sometimes react unexpectedly. Additionally, due to its XL capacity, the fryer may take up considerable space on the kitchen countertop. In first place, we present the COSORI air fryer, an innovative air fryer that redefines the way we cook. Featuring Thermo IQ technology, this fryer reduces the amount of oil used by up to 85%, offering healthier meals without compromising taste. With just 1 spoon of oil needed, you can cook with confidence and savor delicious dishes. A significant advantage of the COSORI air fryer is its effective replacement of the traditional oven. Eliminating long preheating times and reducing costly electricity consumption, this fryer speeds up cooking by up to 50% while allowing energy savings of up to 55%. The adjustable temperature from 75 to 205 and adjustable time from 1 to 60 minutes offer total flexibility, with 11 pre-programmed functions for various types of foods, including fries, chicken, vegetables, desserts, and much more. To further facilitate cooking, the COSORI air fryer offers over 100 online recipes and 100 paper recipes, covering various categories such as breakfast, appetizers, side dishes, and desserts. Additionally, this electric fryer provides warm-up and reheating functions to ensure meal freshness. From the cooking process to cleaning, the COSORI air fryer offers an exceptional user experience. Controlled by a fingerprint-free touchscreen, this fryer has a non-stick and removable basket, making cleaning easy after use. For increased versatility, air fryer accessories are also available to further simplify meal preparation. In summary, the COSORI air fryer represents more than just a fryer. It embodies a modern approach to cooking, focusing on health, efficiency, and a variety of culinary possibilities. If you are looking for a versatile, energy-efficient, and user-friendly air fryer, the COSORI air fryer is a must-have. Some users have reported that the non-stick coating of the basket may wear out over time, potentially requiring replacement. Additionally, while the required amount of oil is significantly reduced, some consumers have noted that a spoon of oil is still necessary for optimal results. So, Oven baked or air fried? Tell me in the comments. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and find the product links in the description. See you soon for more top 5s.